Hey guys, it's Molly, and I'm back today with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fluffy slime, so let's get right into the video. So first you are going to take your measuring cup and your Elmer's glue and put the Elmer's glue into it. And this is half a cup. I'm not filling it up all the way. I'm actually filling it up about to here. So it's almost full, but not quite. And just dump that into the bowl. You can also scoop it out if you need to, because it's kind of hard to get all of it out. Okay, so next I'm going to take my shaving cream and put the same amount as I did glue into the measuring cup. Okay, so I think that's good. You can always add more. So just scoop that all out. Okay, now you're just going to mix it all up. So this is the texture it should be. So there it is. Now we are going to start by adding 1 spoonful of the borax and water mixture. And just mix it all up. You'll start to see it getting a little bit thicker. And just keep mixing until it's a good consistency. Now you can just keep adding more, like I'm doing. As you can see, it's getting thick. It's still way too sticky, I can tell, but you'll see it starting to clean the bowl. I'm gonna feel it. Still really sticky. So I'm just going to keep adding some more borax and water. So this is the final product of the slime. It's a really, really cool texture. I love it so much. This is one of the best slimes I've made. It's really clicky and really stretchy. And yeah, it's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And make sure you go subscribe to my sister's channel. Here
Hi
she
guys.
is.
I made slime in the background if you guys didn't notice me.
You might have heard her.
You guys might have heard me, and I kind of grabbed the shaving cream.
Yeah.
And if you guys saw anything, or heard anything, that would just be me. If you would hear talking in the background, that would be my mom.
So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.